everyone, Arcel here. Welcome back to part 3 of our Wow to Blender series. Now for today's tutorial, we're going to be using a couple of incredibly powerful add-ons, Auto-Rig Pro and the Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning add-on. These tools will save us a massive amount of time and give us a professional quality result with minimal effort. I want to be upfront, there are absolutely free ways to do this using Blender's built-in tools, and if there's enough interest, we can definitely cover that in a future video, but for today, we're focusing on this specific, efficient workflow. Let's get started. All right, so over here in Blender, we're going to get our character ready for rigging. So we're going to click on ARP here, which is Auto-Rig Pro. We're going to go ahead and click everything, make sure the body's selected here. We're going to go to Auto-Rig Pro Smart, get selected objects, full body. We're not going to be doing facial stuff yet because that's going to be a whole other video. All right. So now you can definitely add your own markers if you want. I'm just going to use guest markers because it's quicker. It is going to take a second, so we'll fast forward. Okay, that's the first part. Now we're going to make sure we set up any of these points just in case they're not in the right spot. We're going to move this way. We're going to check out this side here. We're going to kind of move the shoulder plate. No, make sure you get both of them. Shoulder just right about there. And the elbow in a little bit right there. Perfect. All right, now that we got that set up, we're going to hit guest fingers. This is also going to take a second. Okay, now if you want this for Unreal, we're going to go ahead and click this, the skeleton presets, UE5 Mannequin. We're going to be putting this on Unreal, so we're going to select that. Now we're going to hit go. Okay, next up, match to rig. Okay, now that that's set up, we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and go over here to skin. Go back to object mode. We're going to select everything but the rig. We select the rig last. So select everything. Okay. Now that everything's selected, we're going to hit the rig. Okay. We're going to hit scale fix. We're going to drop this down to Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning add-on. And we're going to hit bind. This is going to take a minute. Okay. So now, as you can see here, if I move the arm, shoulder's going to move really weird and it's not going to move how arm should. To fix that, it's going to take a little bit of a process. Now we have to do this one at a time. If we just select all of these and then do the method we're about to do, it's not going to work. So we have to select the armature and select each one, the text solidify. We got to do this for each armor piece that we don't want to warp. So I'm going to fast forward this. All you have to do is click the armature, click on the rigid armor you want, click on detect solidify, and then Voxel Heat Diffuse Skinning. I'm going to do this for the rest of the armor, but I'm going to speed it ahead so you don't have to watch it. Okay, now that that's done, we're going to go ahead and click on the rig again, and we're going to move the armature, and you can see everything is working much better now. Everything flows better, looks better. Armature actually moves properly. We're going to move the legs here. You can see. Oh. Don't go too far with the animation. It just works. So next up, we're going to get this imported to Unreal. Now, Auto-Rig Pro has tools for this already. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the armature, come down here to export, export FBX. Now, there's multiple options you can use. You can do Unity, you can do Unreal Engine, you can do Godot, or you can do others. We're going to click on Unreal. We're going to click on Humanoid. We're going to check rig. There's some issues. We're going to hit fix rig. That's going to fix any issues that it might have. Everything else is pretty much good. Rename for UE, so this is going to rename the bones and everything else like that for Unreal Engine. Now, I already have one here, but we already have one. We already have this set up. What I'm going to do is we're going to do human male armor. That way we know what we're going to do. We're going to hit Auto-Rig Pro FBX Export. All right, now we're going to move over Unreal Engine. All right, welcome to Unreal Engine. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and grab our human male armor.fbx. We're going to bring it in. Now this is crucial. If you already have the Unreal skeleton in, like first person or third person skeleton, you can choose it right here, SK Mannequin. Select that, and everything else is pretty much good to go. We're going to hit import. Now it's just going to take a second. All right. some textures don't come in. You might have to go in and actually update this. I still haven't figured out why. So I'm going to pause here and I'm going to add the textures back in. Okay. He is in engine and he is ready to go. He looks really good. Everything is set. Now, this is the best part. I'm going to go to content, third person, blueprints. I already have one set up, but I'm going to kind of add this here. We're going to add the skeleton that we just brought in for our character here. Armor 1. And as you can see, he's animated. He's looking great. So if we hit compile and save, if we add this third person character in here, come over here to world settings, set this to third person, and hit play, our character's rigged and in Unreal. Now, as you can see, the belt looks fine, but the cloth's not moving. Now, that's going to be a whole other video because that's cloth simulation, and that's a whole video by itself. Even the back there, it's kind of messed up. I didn't add a cloak, by the way, because again, cloth, that's going to be a whole other video. But he's ready to go. I'll take any kind of animation, and yeah, his eyes are closed because I didn't set that up, but everything works. So you've got an animated character in Unreal Engine, and he just works. The skeleton works. Everything is good to go. All right, and that's it. We got our character rigged. He's in Unreal. He's ready to go. And that's it for part 3 of the rigging video today. The next video will be the head rig, the face rig. That's probably going to take a little time, so please bear with me on that one. But that's it. Characters in Unreal ready to go. I'll probably be making some other videos with Unity and other engines in mind later on if there's enough interest for it. So let me know in the comments. And let me know in the comments if you have any issues, or join the Discord as well. I'm on Discord. You can DM me, PM me, anything you want. Let me know if you have any issues or need any help. Message me. I'm open. Don't even worry about it. But once again, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we will catch you guys in the next video.